Mother-to-mother support groups bring pregnant and lactating women and caregivers together to learn, share experiences, and support healthier nutrition for their families. With support from Ethiopia Humanitarian Fund, MCMDO has established 70 groups across 7 woredas, where mothers meet weekly to learn about healthy pregnancy, breastfeeding, and appropriate feeding for young children. These gatherings build connection, hope, and solidarity. The sessions conclude with mothers sharing their blessings and wishes for a better future.
جمارنا فلسطينكم فلسطينكم زمنها أيخوني بعلها جسيا يا ولدك يندحدح يا بخ يسحق يتجاوز علوه خذي ينتن ينقف يصحيكم يخذخل يرجس يطراته ما يلمسه ما يلمسه ما يلمسه بركاته يا خنا يدم خلهم على قسمته